Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to our daily word series where one word opens the door to many new words, meanings and expression. In today's episode, we will not only learn a powerful word but also its synonyms, antonyms and some interesting idioms and phrases related to it so that you can enrich your vocabulary for daily use as well as competitive exam. So let's dive straight into today's word. So we are going to learn one new word. It's antonyms, synonyms, related idioms and phrases. Today's word is condescending. Condescending. It means to behave or speak in a way, in an arrogant way that shows you think you are superior and more intelligent than others. अपने आप को ज्यादा नॉलेजेबल समझना, अपने खुद के नॉलेज पे ज्यादा घमंड करना, अपने आप को सुपीरियर महसूस करना. सो दिस बिहेवियर इज ऑफन डिस्क्राइब्ड एज एक्टिंग विथ ए पैट्रोनाइजिंग एटीट्यूड एज इफ यू आर टॉकिंग डाउन टू समवन और ट्रीटिंग देम एज इफ दे आर लेस कैपेबल. आप दूसरे को कम आंक रहे हैं और अपने आप को ज्यादा सुपीरियर समझ रहे हैं. सो दूसरे दूसरे को नीचे जताने का व्यवहार, उस पे कृपा करना और स्वयं को वरिष्ठ समझना. Condescending. Example sentences are: his comments were offensive and condescending to us. Next example is sentence is: he gave a condescending smile when his art was praised by everyone. Meaning of condescending means showing a superior attitude, talking down to others, patronizing. Synonyms of condescending: patronizing, दया दिखाना, उपेक्षा करना, arrogant, सुपसिलस, तिरस्कार पूर्ण, दूसरे को नीचा समझना, snobbish, haughty, disdainful, pompous, egotistic, lofty, overbearing. So इन सभी का मतलब है to showing I am superior than other, talking down to others, feeling of patronization. पैट्रोनाइजिंग न्यू वर्ड्स है जिसका मतलब दया दिखाना, उपेक्षा करना, एरोगेंस, सुपसिलस, स्नोबिस, हॉटी, डिस्डेनफुल, पॉम्पस, ईगोटिस्टिक, लॉफ्टी, ओवरबियरिंग. एंटोनिम्स: विनम्र है, आदरपूर्ण है, हम्बल, रिस्पेक्टफुल, पोलाइट, कर्टियस, कंसीडरेट, मॉडेस्ट, अनप्रिटेंशियस, डाउन टू अर्थ, ग्रेसियस, अप्रोचेबल. Idioms and phrases related with the main word condescending. Talk down to someone. It means to talk to someone as if they are less intelligent or feeling that that person is inferior and he or she is superior. Example sentences: the manager always talked down to his juniors, to his employee. The manager always talks down to his employee. So talk down to someone means to talk to someone as if they are less intelligent than you or not important. So talk down to someone is a phrasal verb that means to speak to someone in a patronizing or condescending way if they are less intelligent, less important than you. Feeling of superiority. Speaker always feel that he or she is superior. Next is look down on someone. So this phrase means to think you are better than someone, which is related to word condescending. So look down on someone. She tends to look down on people who don't speak English well. This time always this is thing is going on. If you're giving an interview in anywhere, whether you have cracked many important exam, if you are not able to communicate, so people always tends to look down on people who don't speak English well. To look down on someone means that to consider or treat someone an inferior, unimportant, having less knowledge, not worthy of respect, often due to believe in one's own superiority. The speaker is thinking, I am superior, I am more knowledgeable, I am more important. So this involves a negative judgment of another person, which are based on factors like social status, financial standing, or experience. अपोजिट लुक डाउन ऑन समवन, किसी को आप तिरस्कृत भावना से देख रहे हैं, इंफीरियर देख रहे हैं। लेकिन अगर लुक अप टू का मतलब होगा आप उसको, उसकी प्रशंसा कर रहे हैं, उसको रिस्पेक्ट कर रहे हैं। लुक अप टू जस्ट इसका अपोजिट है, लुक अप टू। Next is put someone in their place, which is related to word condescending. Means to criticize or humble someone who is being arrogant. The teacher put the arrogant student in his place. So put someone in their place means it is an idiom that means to humble someone who is acting overly confident or arrogant by showing them that they are less important or capable than they think they are. So put someone in their place means किसी को अपनी जगह दिखाना, हिंदी में कहते हैं किसी को औकात दिखाना. So the phrase implies a rebuke often delivered with words to remind the person of their actual position or status. Put someone in a box means to place someone in a, आप किसी को परेशानी में डाल रहे हो. To place someone in a difficult or limiting situation, often with little room for maneuver or escape. So put someone in their place, it means आप बहुत ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट है, एरोगेंट है और दूसरे को आप कम समझ रहे हैं. Put someone in a box means किसी को परेशानी में डालना. Next one is a lord it over someone. Lord it over someone. So it means to act in a superior way towards others. दूसरों पर हुकूमत जमाना, खुद को बड़ा दिखाना. Lord it over someone. To act in a superior way as if one has authority over others. Example sentence: he always tries to lord it over his colleagues. So in Bible, the statement is given, not that we lord it over your faith, but we work with you for your joy, because it is by faith you stand firm. Next is height and mighty, related to word condescending. High and mighty means acting arrogantly as if more important than others. बहुत अहंकारी घमंडी स्वभाव. So, example, don't act so high and mighty just because you got promoted. So, to be high and mighty means to act as if you are more important, to you are showing your arrogance, pompous, conceited behavior. High and mighty. Synonyms for high and mighty is arrogant, haughty, supercilious, sober, snotty. So, we have learned word. Word is condescending. Condescending means to behave or speak in a way that shows you think you were superior and more intelligent than others. Means it shows patronizing attitudes. So kindly use this word and its antonym and synonyms in your daily life, in your daily communication. It is beneficial for different types of competitive exams, because with the help of one main word, condescending, we have learned its antonym and synonyms, related idioms and phrases. See you in the next series, tomorrow's word with antonyms, synonyms, idiom, phrases.